The universe is big, and I mean really big. But guess what? There could be others. Can you imagine that we could be living in just one universe out of an infinite number of other universes? Join us as we explore the mysteries beyond our own reality with some mind-blowing multi-universe theories. We will cover parallel universes, multiverses, and infinity bubbles as we push the boundaries of human comprehension and ponder the ultimate question: what lies beyond? The theory of parallel universes speculates that multiple universes that are parallel to our own may exist. They may have similar physical laws, but with slight variations. In a parallel universe, history might have taken a different turn at a pivotal moment, leading to an alternate present day. Parallel universe theories are often tied to quantum physics, particularly in the many worlds interpretation proposed by Hugh Everett in 1957. In MWI, the universe splits into multiple branches at every quantum event, where all possible outcomes occur in separate, non-communicating parallel branches. An example of this could be if you flipped a coin. Before you flip, there's only one universe with you holding the coin. After you flip the coin and look at it, the universe splits into two branches. One branch, or parallel universe, where you see the coin as heads. Another branch, where you see the coin as tails. String theory is another foundation that explores parallel universes. One theory suggests that our universe might be one of many, residing on giant sheets called branes, short for membranes, in the higher dimensions of space. These numerous sheets floating in this higher dimensional space would look much like the pages in a book. Each of these branes can be thought of as a separate universe, with its own collection of galaxies, stars, and planets, and maybe its own set of physical laws. The idea of parallel universes in string theory suggests that these branes might interact with each other in this higher dimensional space. For instance, they might collide or vibrate in response to one another. These interactions could potentially explain fundamental aspects of our own universe, such as the Big Bang, as being the result of our brain's interactions with other universes on parallel branes. Now, let's jump into the multiverse realm. A multiverse can be described as a collection of universes, parallel or otherwise. Some scientists believe in the multiverse theory that suggests that our universe, with all its stars, galaxies, and planets, is just one of many universes, each with its own set of rules, stars, and galaxies. Some of these universes might be quite similar to ours, while others could be very different. In the context of the multiverse, some scientists propose that black holes might be evidence or even gateways to other universes. Through a phenomenon known as quantum tunneling, particles can cross barriers that classical physics would deem impassable. It's been suggested that entire regions of our universe could tunnel into new states, leaving behind black holes as signatures of these events. These black holes might theoretically provide evidence for other universes in the multiverse. In an alternative version of the multiverse theory, bubbles form in space-time. Imagine a giant foam bath, where bubbles keep forming and popping endlessly. In the infinity bubbles theory, each of these bubbles represents a universe, including ours. This means that there isn't just one universe, but an infinite number of them, all emerging and maybe disappearing like bubbles in a bath. Just as each bubble in the foam can be of a different size and shape, each universe in this cosmic foam can have different laws of physics and different types of stars, planets, and possibly life. In this scenario, our universe would be just one bubble amongst countless others. A notable contributor to this field is Alan Guth, who developed the theory of cosmic inflation. This theory suggests that in the earliest moments after the Big Bang, our universe, or our bubble, expanded super quickly in a blink of an eye. This quick stretch is called cosmic inflation. It is theorized that during this rapid expansion, many bubbles, or universes, could have popped into existence in different regions, leading to a multiverse. Observations of the cosmic microwave background, CMB, have been used to search for potential signatures of other universes or bubble collisions, but up to now, no definitive signs have been detected. The multiverse theory and the concept of infinity bubbles remain largely in the realm of theoretical physics. However, Some observations of giant galaxy clusters and the phenomenon known as dark flow have been examined as possible supporting evidence. Giant galaxy clusters are vast collections of galaxies held together by gravity. NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center studied 700 such clusters and found unusual movements and distributions which standard cosmological models struggle to explain. According to our understanding, these clusters should move randomly in all directions relative to the cosmic microwave background. But that's not what is happening. Instead, these galaxy clusters are moving at an unexpectedly high speed, around 1,000 kilometers per second, and seem all be heading towards a specific area in the sky between the Centaurus and Hydra constellations. Some scientists at the Goddard Space Flight Center have hypothesized that these irregular behaviors, known as dark flow, could be the gravitational effects of other universes or infinity bubbles within the multiverse. If our universe is merely one bubble among many, it might feel gravitational tugs from neighboring universes, influencing the motion of galaxy clusters. All of the theories explained here are purely speculative and also complicated. However, there is another theory that many researchers believe is the most logical conclusion, and it could be the simplest or the more. Nothingness. Some ponder that nothing could exist beyond the observable universe. In this theory, if you were to somehow reach the edge of the universe, you might encounter a boundary beyond which there is absolute emptiness. No matter, no energy, no space, and no time. An abrupt end to everything we understand as existence. The universe keeps its secrets well guarded, but are we on the brink of a great discovery, or are we destined to ponder our existence without ever finding the answers? One thing is for sure, is that we humankind will never stop trying to find out what lies beyond. If you like this video, please consider leaving a like or subscribe. Please also share your thoughts, theories, and speculations in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.